Good morning, folks. It's the 31st of May. Ken Ring here, www.predictweather.com. The moon is called Waning gibbous at the moment. It's gibbous, which literally means humpbacked, so less than full but more than half. That's how you think about it. And it'll be at the half position, which is called last quarter moon, which is the D shape as seen from New Zealand on Saturday. It's still in Capricorn, that's the sign up there, still in the south, the southernmost sign for us in the sky, and that'll change to Aquarius tomorrow evening. And you'll notice that the moon is nearly overhead above New Zealand. If you go out and look, you'll see it in that position up there at 2:30 a.m. earlier this morning, so you won't see it that way now. The moon in Aquarius is always a cooler sign for us, and because the moon is still in the southern declination, the weather goes from left to right at the moment along the latitude lines. So when you look at it on the weather maps on the TV, it's sort of going that way. That's because the moon's orbit is running parallel to the Earth's orbit at the moment. The sun, of course, is still in Gemini until the 21st. And we're looking ahead now into June, and what have we got for New Zealand? Well, still some rain to fall in the North Island over the first week, also Canterbury, I think. The second week should be the driest month for both islands. Heavy rain with a bit of flooding in the North Island is coming in the third week, just after the middle of the month, and also some more rain, I think, for the east of the South Island. And the last week will be pretty wet for the Waikato, and the west and the south of the South Island, and also the west of the North Island, which means Taranaki and Dargaville, along that west coast. Now the Central Plateau, they should get some snow in that last week, but I don't think inland Otago or Southland will get much of anything until the last week of the month. So they've got a bit of a drier spell coming for the next few weeks. And as for temperatures, the North Island won't be as cold as the South Island. In fact, the North Island should be on average temperatures for June, but the South Island could be quite a bit below the average. The coldest parts of the month, they're most likely to be at the beginning and at the end, and with a short, sharp, cold shock for everybody around the new moon in the middle of the month. And if you're a gardener and you're into harvesting, the best time for harvesting is going to be anything at all will be in the first week, when the water table will be the deepest down. And that's me. I hope I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.